Let's work on our next technique, wet on wet. For this exercise, I'll start by mixing enough burnt umber to create an even base wash. Then I'll paint that mixture across the entire area as a flat wash, making sure the surface is covered as evenly as possible. Once the wash is down, I'll tilt the board slightly and leave any excess paint that gathers at the edge. This helps keep the surface even and prevent unwanted puddle and background as it dries. Next, I'll switch to a nylon brush and prepare a puddle of ultramarine blue in a slightly more concentrated mix, closer to a milky or creamy consistency. Then I'll begin introducing that blue into the still wet burnt umber surface. As soon as the blue touches the wet wash, it begins to spread naturally. Because the surface is still wet, the pigment diffuses outwards and creates softer, more organic edges. In this example, I'm dropping a simple dot, and you can already see how this shape begins to expand on their own. This is what makes wet on wet so useful and expressive.